amphitheater has been built. The stands are there, the lights are on. It's go time. It's Wednesday morning about 9 o'clock, the last practice round of the U.S. Open. One more afternoon shift to dial some things in, and we'll be ready for them to start keeping score tomorrow morning. Everything we've done for so many years has been to prepare, and now it's all coming together.
We have everything in place. All our friends in town from around the country. We had the 2014 championship, which was our third men's U.S. Open championship, along with our first women's in 14. And we've had 4 USGA championships since 2014. We've had great success with those. We have a talented team that's preparing now for another major championship.
These past few weeks, preparation has really just skyrocketed. Double mowing twice a day, rolling, just busy, just constantly keeping things ready to get it dialed in for the players.
Some other projects we've done is some bunker work, just checking depths over the course of the year just to make sure they're tuned for the U.S. Open.
So I'm kind of the go-to between our field teams and our dealers and then our factory. Right now we're just checking mowers out, making sure that the cut quality's there, the heights are set.
When we first found out we were having this U.S. Open, it would be the first U.S. Open on Ultra Dwarf Bermuda Green, so that was a new challenge. We also knew that a lot of our crew members would be different. Getting to see that new excitement as things are constructed and built and watching them learn as you go.
It's just the transition between having my hands in the dirt and being more of a manager and quality control. So that's something that's new to me within the resort. Having the expectations and making sure the guys and the women out there are meeting the expectations and the demands of our resort guests, or in particular this week, professional players as well.
The opportunities that come with the hosting championships give them a lot of experience in tough situations, and everyone's doing very well.
Technology is big with Deere, so we have GPS sprayers, and in 24 came out with our electric walking greens mower, lithium-ion battery packs. Pinehurst right now has probably got 20 machines on site. Just a really spectacular machine.
Sustainability is a big focus of ours at Pinehurst. Things that we tried last year to prepare for the U.S. Open were electric walk mowers, electric backpack blowers. Using less water is a big key in sustainability, but all those things put together, we try to take care of the environment as much as we can. The electric walk mower has been great because we can work close to play without the noise. We were nervous anytime you talk about getting ready for a U.S. Open and changing things within like a year, and you want to have some time to trial things. And fortunately, John Deere was able to get us a couple of the electric 220 walk mowers to try last fall. We loved them right away.
I think they're great. They're a lot quieter, so it's easier to hear your reels. I think they turn a lot smoother, and they're nice and easy to charge.
I wasn't too sure about the whole electric thing, but after using them, they're just as good, if not better, than the gas. Very easy to use, and they have a good cut.
We're kind of leaving our mark now in 2024, and this team will go on and do great things at other places, or if they choose to stay, we'll continue to do great things. It's just nice to have a year to put all these memories. It brings everybody together because you remember where you were in June of 2024. And then you look in the shop and we have the signs from the previous championships. What makes me proud when I look out every morning riding around and walking on greens is just how hard everybody's working, how focused everyone is. You've got 130 people out there each morning that are giving it their best.